Greetings of the day to all the esteemed dignitaries present over here, our respected chief guest of the day, Reverend Dr. Father John B.J., Reverend Dr. Sister Sonia, Reverend Father Johnny Penithas, respected teachers, parents, and dear BSSites. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here and deliver this address before you all. Honestly, I had never thought of receiving this award when I joined BSSS back in 2021. Being a PCM student till class 12, I transitioned to management because of my interest in this particular domain, and my focus was initially to learn whatever comes my way. I would first of all thank the Almighty God for bestowing His grace upon me. I thank my parents, Dr. Neeraj Patharkar and Mrs. Namrata Patharkar, who are always there to guide me, and whatever I am today, it's all because of them. I express my sincere gratitude to the college management for making my learning journey worthwhile. I thank Reverend Father and Sisters for their constant support and never-ending commitment towards the student fraternity. Most importantly, I express my deepest sense of gratitude to all my teachers at the Department of Management and beyond, who played a pivotal role in helping me achieve this feat. A teacher is like a candle which consumes itself to light the way for others. And we at BSSS are lucky to have such amazing teachers who are always there to guide and motivate us. Being a science student with no experience of hardcore commerce subjects, for me, my teachers made this transition smooth and enriching. I thank all my mentors from the bottom of my heart for being there by my side whenever I needed them. My 3 years at BSSS will be something that I will cherish forever. The activities of Management Club, Quiz Club, the events as a part of the Golden Jubilee celebrations, the making of the newsletter Magna, publishing of case studies and whatnot. Each and every experience has helped me learn, grow, and become a better version of myself. To the current students, my only advice is, stay focused, stay dedicated, be clear on your goals, and make the most out of your time here at BSSS. As I embark upon my new journey at the Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode, I take with me these very many learnings from BSSS and strive to march towards a better world. I will always be a proud BSSite. I would end my speech with a poetry from my book Impulse. I heard someone said, average is just a mindset. I heard someone said, average is just a mindset. An idea quite different, never before read. Thinking deep upon it, a conclusion met. Quite true, is not that? Mindsets bind us sometimes, creating beliefs and stereotypes that possess our intellect in ways such that our minds get swayed. So it's up to us, right, to believe in the best of our might? Then why think average? Don't limit the infinity to a gauge. Don't limit the infinity to a gauge. Thank you.